In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Robinhood to a cash account. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have no margin balance. Make sure you're not using any margin funds, which is borrowed money or gold buying power. So please settle any outstanding margin balances, as you cannot downgrade while using margin. So if you're from Robinhood Gold, then you will need to go ahead and download. And in order to do that, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on account just like so. And then you need to go to the top left and select on the bars right here. And then you want to go ahead and select on settings right over here. So scroll down so you see settings. Then you're going to see an option that says Robinhood Gold. And then from there, it is going to give you the option to downgrade from Robinhood Gold. Anyways, guys, what you want to do from here is you actually want to go ahead and contact the Robinhood support team in order to downgrade you to a cash account. So that is the only way that Robinhood allows you to get a cash account. So you can't just do it by pressing a button on the app or anything like that. You actually need to talk to a Robinhood representative. And to do that, you go here to the menu and just scroll down until you see Robinhood support, which is right underneath settings. And you would go ahead and contact support right over here. And you basically want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that you are trying to get a cash account instead. And it is going to walk you through the entire process, but be prepared because it may ask you to verify some information. So after submitting your request, Robinhood support team will process the change, and it may take a few business days, and you will be notified once the account is converted to a cash account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.